As they say, oils ain't oils. A fast food giant is fueling environmental change using recycled vegetable oil to run delivery trucks. A new facility at Dandenong is transforming thousands of litres of oil used in McDonald's restaurants into biodiesel. It's used to 3/4 of the company's Victorian fleet.
For every 1,000 litres of oil, we produce 995 litres of biodiesel, so it's nearly a one-for-one conversion process.
The biodegradable diesel produces 80% less carbon dioxide than regular fuel.
That was a great story, thank you.
All right, how McDonald's is using cooking oil to power its trucks.
Yep, we'll have that story and all the news, sport and weather. Don't go anywhere. That's next on Weekend Today.
Well, out of the fryer and into the fuel tank, McDonald's is now using their cooking oil to power its fleet of delivery trucks. We're joined by Carl Fielder from Neutral Fuels and Tracy Monaghan from Macca's. Good morning to you both.
Good morning.
Good morning, Stephen.
Carl, we'll start with you. Can you explain how this process works?
Well, it's pretty straightforward. We take the McDonald's cooking oil, it's taken back to us by the trucks that deliver the food, and then we convert it into a biodiesel, which is then used to refuel the same McDonald's delivery trucks.
So is this new technology?
It's something that's the first time we're doing it in Australia, and the really novel thing is that we're using the Martin Brower trucks which deliver the food to the stores to bring the cooking oil back to us for processing, and then we're using 100% of that oil into 100% biodiesel to refuel 100% of the trucks with B100 biodiesel.
Tracy, what does this mean for the environment?
Oh, this is great news for the environment, Stephen. Studies tell us that there's 80% less carbon dioxide generated by biodiesel if you compare that to traditional fossil biodiesel. So it is great news for the environment.
Right, so how much are we talking about in terms of saving emissions with this biodiesel compared to, say, regular diesel?
What I can tell you is that we will generate about 700,000 litres of vegetable oil in Victoria per annum. Martin Brower will be using some of that, and some of the other vegetable oil will actually be available for our other suppliers to use.
Are you looking at expanding this right across Australia?
Absolutely, Stephen. We're launching in Victoria this year, but next year we hope to launch in other states and territories.
And what sort of feedback are you getting from your clients? Pardon the pun.
Very positive feedback. Fair enough. No, we're getting very positive feedback. It's good to be able to have a positive environmental story, something that we're very pleased to partner with Neutral Fuels on.
All right, and Carl, what else is Macca's doing to help the environment?
Well, there's a load of stuff that they do, but McDonald's is really quite quiet about all of the things that it's doing because it's so impressive what they've done in a lot of the stores. The store in at the moment, the lights that are surrounding us here are all LEDs. There's a very low watering environment around. It's a very, very sustainable attitude that McDonald's has got internationally. This approach to recycling the cooking oil and using it to power the trucks is something that really will have a massive impact.
It is a great idea. Carl and Tracy, thanks for joining us this morning.
Thanks
you
very
very
much,
much.
Stephen.